Oh hey, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Today we are keeping it nice and mellow, and I will be showing you how I use two different head wraps to style my braids. Listen, it's not complicated, it's very simple. This is very low maintenance if you are not too sure what to do to your braids. Adding a scarf, adding a head wrap can totally make a difference. So with that being said, I'm going to start by using a hair tie and putting my braids up just like so. And I'm keeping it all the way natural. I am just brushing my edges a little bit. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows a little bit, but I'm not adding any product whatsoever. I will be using this first head wrap. I love the colors, very bright, very bold, and it can definitely give it a whole vibe. So with that being said, I am just going to wrap the head wrap around my head, and I'm twisting it not all the way to the end of the head wrap, but I'm twisting it just enough so that I can start twisting it around my bun. As you can see, it's very loose. It's not a very super tight head wrap like I have done in most cases, but I just wanted to see what I can create. I love head wraps because you can just tie them in so many different ways and you can just get creative. So as you can see, this style is just very loose fitting. I didn't have any issues with it coming apart. I did not have to pin it down to the sides, but you can play with it and see which way you like it. I think this is very simple, nothing extravagant. Leave some braids out for a little oomph, recomb some of those, rebrush some of those edges, fix my eyebrows, and call it a day. If you like this style, let me know. This is the first time I'm trying this simple, loose fitting head wrap style, and I really like the way it came out. I'm also linking up top different head wrap videos I have on this channel, specifically using scarves, because if you don't have a head wrap, you can definitely make some looks with some scarves, regular scarves. So now let's move on to the next head wrap that I have for you. I love this head wrap also because it's very bright and bold in its colors. I have purchased these from Wrapped by Nails, and I'll leave the link down in the description box if you're interested. Now, I wasn't too sure what I was going with, but I was trying something different and I decided to just tuck it in like so. I think it's cute. I would have loved to keep it, but as I kept messing with it, it just came apart. And I wasn't in the mood to try to recreate it again, but you get the point. So if you are struggling, or if you ever have your moments where you are struggling with your head wrap, literally wrap it around your head and use a hair tie. Now mind you, this was the first time that I was trying a hair tie to get it all together, but I really love the way it came out because honestly, by the time I was done, tucking in some of the wrap to make sure that it stayed in place, it looked like a flower. Do you agree? Make sure that you leave me a comment, like this video, and share your thoughts down below. Peace and love, and I'll catch you in my next video.